Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting signal integrity. First, place the mic 6 to 12 inches away and angle slightly off-axis to cut plosives. This reduces airflow noise before processing. Then lower room noise, turn off fans, isolate vibrating surfaces, and use soft absorption where possible. Next, set input gain so loudest peaks sit near negative 12 dBFS. This preserves headroom and reduces hiss. Once done, confirm phantom power or interface routing and monitor with closed-back headphones so you hear issues early. Now focus on the middle processing chain. Start with a high-pass filter around 60 to 120 Hz to eliminate low rumble. Steeper slopes reduce bleed but preserve voice warmth. Insert a noise gate and set the threshold just below quiet speech so pauses close without chopping words. Use fast attack and medium release to keep natural decay. Then apply gentle compression, 2 to 4 to 1 ratio with 3 to 6 dB of gain reduction, to level dynamics so noise reduction works more consistently. Finally, check in and adjust settings while speaking. Finish by removing residual hiss with spectral or noise print reduction. Record or select a quiet noise profile, apply reduction with conservative settings to avoid artifacts, and preview with short passes. Once satisfied, render at 24-bit, 48K Hz, and save an unprocessed master for safety. Make sure to normalize or apply final limiter sparingly. Troubleshooting tip: if you hear fluttering or metallic artifacts, reduce reduction amount and increase attack/reduction time. Then combine mild EQ cuts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.